Welcome to your Shots Personal Finances. This is Anberson. Today, let's see about technical analysis of Edelweiss Financial Services NCD 2024. It is the logo used in Edelweiss Financial Services. About Edelweiss Financial Services, it is like incorporated in November 1995. Edelweiss Financial Services Limited is a Mumbai-based investment banking firm and merchant bankers. Edelweiss provides detail and corporate credit, asset management, including mutual funds and alternative asset management, asset reconstructions, insurance, both life and general insurance, and wealth management services through its subsidiaries. Edelweiss Group company comprises 28 subsidiaries as of June 30, 2023. The company has a pan-India and international network with 242 domestic offices and 3 international offices and employs over 6,062 employees as of June 30, 2023. Edelweiss has been publicly traded company since 2007 under the symbol NSC Edelweiss and BSC 532922. And this is Edelweiss Financial Services Limited financial informations. The promoters are the names given here, and then company financials are like period ended from 30 March 2022 to 30 March 2023, and asset has been increased from 43,279.78 to 44,064.27, and revenue has also been increased from 7,212.59 to 8,632.59, and profit after tax has also been increased from 212.07 to 405.56, and net worth is also increased from 4,125.99 to 5,000.22. Total borrowing has been decreased from 2,482.65 to 2,588.65. Now let's see about Edelweiss Financial Services NCD January 2024 retail IPO. It is opened in January 9, 2024 to January 22, 2024. In the name of Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, it has a security type like secured, redeemable, non-convertible debentures. The size is about in base it is like 125 crores and shelf 250 crores. And issue price is 1,000 per NCDs and face value is rupees 1,000 each NCDs. Minimum lot price is 10, size is 10 NCDs and market lot is 1 NCD. Listing at BRCs, it is the rating given to in Edelweiss Financial Services as a credit ratings, and tenor is like 24, 36, and 60 and 120 months. Series is from 1 to 10, and payment frequency is monthly and annually. Basis of allotment is first come first served basis, and then depends on trustees is Beacon Trusteeship Limited. And then this is the Edelweiss Financial Services Limited NCD coupon rates. It is like from series 1 to 10, frequency of interest payment, nature, tenor, coupon per annum, and effective yield percentage per annum, amount on maturity in rupees. Everything is given in this PPT. And then the next is like, let's see about NCD ratings. The NCD proposed to be issued under this issue have been rated Cyril A plus stable by Cyril Rating Limited and ICRA A plus stable by ICRA Limited, with such ratings considered to have a stable outlook. And then thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe your shop's channel for analysis of new bonds, NFO, NCD, IPO, ETF, and many more. Also visit yourshops.com and use coupon code YO100 for flat rupees 100 discount on all products you purchase and free 1 year's GSTs and ITR e-filling services.